Hello, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thank you all for joining. Can I see you folks, if possible, if your internet permits, please unmute. This is me, Himanshu Shekhar, and Professor Karla Mercado Shekhar is also here with me.
Hello.
Hi, Akansha. Hi, Santosh. Hi, Deval.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So good that you are able to join. We can get started, even though few more people will join in a few minutes. So we wanted to have this session. We have Jagriti Patil with us. Jagriti, if possible, can you please turn on your video? And we have Manu KS with us. So both Manu and Jagriti have been answering your questions during they have been answering your doubts online. Jagriti is a PhD student working with Professor Karla, and Manu is a PhD student working with my group. So let's make use of this session to answer any doubts that you may have, or if you want to share any comments about the course, uh, then this would be the right platform. So let's get started. You can see Manu and Jagriti are here. So I think it's nice to put a face to the name. You may have seen the name of the TAs. So we don't have any particular topic planned per se for this session. This is supposed to be for an interactive discussion. And if you have any doubts, we will try to solve it right here. If you have any general comments, then we are also happy to answer. So let me ask you, why did you join this session? What was your motivation for joining this session? Shravan, we'll start from there. So we are at your disposal. You have the opportunity to ask anything about the course, anything about the field of biomedical ultrasound, and about research in this field, industry opportunities. Um, so please go ahead.
I don't have any doubts.
So just wanted to know, like, to what stage you have completed the course, which all videos you have seen.
Till now, I completed 4 weeks and I have to start 5th week.
I see. You have seen all the basic ultrasound courses, like I'm not talking about the microfabrication aspect. The mostly lectures by Professor Karla, and I think 1 or 2 lectures by me. You have seen all of those?
Yeah, I completed.
Okay. So
And I
any
missed
comments?
1 and 2 session exams.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see. Good.
And the video course part is course completion part from 1st week and 2nd week completed.
I see. And which institute are you currently enrolled at?
Tirupati, Vidyaniketan.
Vidyaniketan Tirupati. Okay, very nice. So you have any comments, any feedback about the videos? If something is missing, something you would like us to maybe in the future version of the course add?
Apart from videos and exams are somewhat, I mean, the weekly assessments and the quiz exams are quite difficult to answer.
I see. So how much you are scoring, just to kind of get a sense.
For 10 questions, out of 10 questions, scoring 7, 8.
Then it's not
Okay,
so bad, no?
that's pretty
It's
good.
fine. Well, the thing is, the questions are supposed to challenge you, right? Okay. Uh, so there's no issue. Like now, it depends if some of you have not. Like I just saw a message here from Jiddu Krishna Ganesh. He's saying that he has written assignment 5 and 6, but not 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's fine. So Jiddu, are you planning to take the final exam? Some
Yeah,
students
yeah,
are auditing the course. I
yes,
see.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am planning for final exam.
Uh-huh. So see,
Some
go
s-
ahead.
in college issues for college issues, I am not written assignment 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, sir.
I see. Yeah. So I mean, to the extent possible, try to complete this. In future, don't miss any assignments. So
Okay,
assignments
sir.
have a certain weightage, and exam has a certain weightage, right?
Yes, sir.
Um, so if you do well in the exam, you should be fine.
Okay, sir. Is there any attendance for this 1, 2, 3, 4 assessment, sir?
There is a weightage, like there are marks for it in terms of
Okay,
the
sir.
overall kind of evaluation.
Okay,
I
sir.
yeah.
Thank you, sir. That is my doubt, sir. The one I am not written for some college issues.
Right. Okay, no problem. I know that this is not part of your regular curriculum, so it is expected. But
Okay, sir.
thanks. Uh, okay. Anyone else? Shravan, you are here. This is your opportunity to ask anything.
Right now, till now, there is no any doubts. I go through,
Okay.
I'm
So
going
does
through
that
the
mean
videos.
everything is super clear in
At
the videos?
75%.
Okay, good. Um, Deval, Deval Patel.
Yes, sir.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello, hello.
So, how many lectures you have been able to complete? Have you been able to see all the lectures so far?
Yes, so yesterday I completed week 6, and just today morning I received the notification in mail for week 7. So I'll be
I see.
continuing with 7 as of now from today onwards.
Okay,
Okay.
very nice. Which institute are you studying in?
Sir, I'm from Gandhinagar itself. I'm Institute of Advanced Research.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So you're very nearby.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we have a couple of people from your institute who are working in our lab.
Yeah, I have contacted them. I've talked to them on their LinkedIn as well.
I see. Good. So, what is your area of interest?
My area of interest is basically biochemistry, main focus
Right.
area, research area.
I see. Good. So, what new did you learn which you think will be useful to you?
Sir, apart from my microfabrication part, the first part about the ma'am's lectures, that theoretical session was actually interesting to me.
Hmm.
That
Good.
this microfabrication part is a bit of technical side. That is also interesting, but I am facing issues with numericals. Like the numericals that are taught to us in the lectures are fine, but when they are asked in the assignment session, like we have to brainstorm a bit. So like they are not also that difficult, but we need to focus our brains and like we need to brainstorm them. After them, we are able to solve it. Not an issue there.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, I mean, in terms of background, uh, this microfabrication part somewhat assumes that you are more from electrical or a physics background, or in some
Yes, yes,
cases, even a biomedical background is okay. But for biochemistry, I can see how it can be difficult.
yes,
But yeah, good that you are able to somewhat follow. It's okay. You need not learn everything, but as long as you can take something from it, I think that's enough.
yes, absolutely.
Okay, who else is here? Santosh.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Santosh. Which institute are you at?
I'm from Tamil Nadu, Adiman College of Engineering.
I see. Does it fall
Okay.
under Anna University by any chance?
I couldn't hear you.
Does it fall in Anna University by any chance?
Yes. Yes.
Achha. Okay, good, good.
What's your background?
Biomedical engineering, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay then. So you have the basic electronics concepts also?
Yes, ma'am. Few means
Okay.
control.
Okay, good, good. So
And
how is this course for you so far?
Yeah, it's interesting and a bit complicated and analytical.
mhm. So are you finding the ultrasound part complicated, or is it the microfabrication part you're finding complicated, or both?
Ah, First week was a bit complicated, sir.
Achha. So in your
Ultrasound part.
college, do you have some course on medical imaging, for example, because you are in biomedical background?
No, our curriculum doesn't have that. I previously done an NPTEL course and that.
I see. So what all types of courses you have in your curriculum, which are apart from the basic math and physics and these kind of courses? What are some courses you are doing right now? Which semester are you in?
Seventh, sir.
Seventh semester. Okay. So what are some of the favorite courses that you have done?
Human anatomy and physiology,
Hmm.
diagnostic and therapeutic equipments, obviously.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. I see. So, I mean, there is some overlap with this diagnostic and therapeutic equipments course. Did they talk about ultrasound at all?
Yeah, they spoke more about it meant for fetal diagnosis and
I
internal
see.
instrumentations for
I see.
discuss.
Did
I
they
see.
go into the physics?
They didn't go into formulation.
Okay. I see.
Disappointment.
Yeah, so certain things you can maybe skip if it's not comfortable for you, like for example, derivation of the wave equation. But more of the other things don't require much math. It's more like conceptual, and you should be able to follow, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that derivation is not part of the exam per se.
Yes, sir. The wave equation derivation, I couldn't get that earlier.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. We were just trying to show how the wave equation was derived based on thermodynamics concepts. So no, it's fine as long as you understand what a wave equation looks like now.
Right.
Yeah.
And actually, this wave equation is not limited just to ultrasound. I mean, you can have light also. Light also follows the wave equation, and many other type of waves like electromagnetic waves follow the wave equation. It can be microwaves, RF radio frequency, radio waves follow the wave equation. The mathematical form is similar. The physics is different because here you have mechanical waves, there you will have electromagnetic waves, but the mathematical formulation is very similar. So you have any feedback for us? Anything we can do different or better?
Sir,
Yes, Chidu?
sir, I am from Andhra Pradesh, Adikavinana University, sir. Sir, I am reading Biomedical Instrumentation RS Kandapur book, sir.
I see. I'm not familiar with that book, but okay. How are you finding it?
But, sir, small doubt, sir, in that book are good or not, sir? The handbook, sir, that is handbook Biomedical Instrumentation.
I have not heard of the book, so I'll not be able to comment. Biomedical instrumentation. Yeah.
What was your question about that?
Like, is it good or not?
Oh, okay.
Is it the book that's prescribed by your faculty members?
Yes, sir. Present, I am also reading in my fifth sem, sir. I am present fifth sem, sir. That subject also is there, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I think, I mean, if they are prescribing that book, I'm sure they would have reviewed other books also, because it depends on the syllabus of your university. Maybe the book is well adapted to the syllabus of your university.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So,
is there any
huh,
sir? Is there any documents are available, sir, for preparing a final exam?
for preparing for
The final
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 exam.
exam, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Well, we have few reference books. Now it
Sir.
depends. You can check if they're available in your library.
Yes, sir.
But apart from that, you can well, you can uh, you can maybe review the materials, like so specific things, like for example wave equation, right? If you don't have access to those books, you can probably go to Wikipedia and see this, or there are some other like short videos which you can find on YouTube, etc., if you want to go deeper on some topic, right? Like for example, let's say you are confused about Fourier transform, right? So you can
Yes,
find
sir.
a video which is good, highly rated, and then you can have a look. If you don't have the book, that would be the right way. It is possible that your library may have some ultrasound books, since you are from biomedical background. So that's
No,
why.
sir.
Acha.
I am from instrumentation, electronics instrumentation
Okay.
engineering.
Okay, and you have the biomedical instrumentation course. I see.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting. Okay. And what about ultrasound? Did you have any exposure to ultrasound before?
No, sir. Present my university learning basics only, sir.
Okay. So by basics, you mean like you don't go into the detailed mathematics, or you don't say learn the physics involved? By basics, you mean that?
Yeah, yes, sir. Little bit, sir.
Okay. Okay. And okay. So you have any questions? Means if you're finding it difficult, certain topics you're finding difficult, maybe you can ask question and we can explain right away.
No, sir. No doubts.
No doubt. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Mm. So do we have a volunteer here from NPTEL team? Maybe. Okay, maybe they're not at the desk. So maybe another like 5 minutes we can give, and then if there are no further questions, then we can close this session. So I believe there are many more students, but since this is a regular classroom time, probably they have their own classes. So that's okay.
And if there are any questions, they can just post offline.
Yes, we will try to get back to them as soon as possible. Now, just one thought. There are a couple of open access books. So you can search open access plus ultrasound or open access plus medical imaging. You will be able to find some good textbooks which are open access. So you will be able to get them and read from there. That may be helpful towards preparation if you don't have the regular textbook. And you can also check in your institute library if there is any book on ultrasound. That will help as well.
There's also some open access websites like Radiopedia, right? It has a lot of examples on different ultrasound images. Image artifacts is also there. Some descriptions are there. So you can also review those as well. We've also cited several content in our slides. So if you want to learn more about a specific topic, then you can refer to those references as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So any last questions or comments?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Deval.
So I was actually interested in the ultrasound part of this. So I went to IIT Gandhinagar's website, searched for the professors section. And ma'am, I'm not able to access your research papers. I'm actually interested to read in research papers, but I'm not able to access them. So is there any way that I can access them and I want to read them a bit?
So you can send us an email with the specific papers you're interested in.
Okay.
You can see if your library has access, but if it doesn't have, then you can send us. We will try to download and share with you. If
Okay, okay,
it's so, as per the copyright, we should not. I mean, we are not allowed to download like bulk of papers and share. But if it's
right.
only a few papers, then we can share.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So any other last comment? If not, then we
We'll
will close the session.
Sir, last doubt, sir. My small last doubt.
Haha.
Sir, present I am fifth semester. I also reading analytical instrumentation, sir. But in MPTL course, I am searched so many times, sir. Analytical instrumentation is there, sir, in our courses.
I am not sure because I'm from electrical background. So I would suggest look in chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Go to chemistry and check. Like there are very large number of courses in NPTL. So I'm only
Yes,
more
sir.
familiar with the electrical courses. And even there, it's a
Yes, sir.
very large list. So I would suggest going in chemistry and looking. First, if you search with the name analytical instrumentation, perhaps you will directly find it. But if you don't
Okay, sir.
find it, just go to the chemistry courses and have a look. Maybe you can see a similar course which has some
Yes.
topics. Another thing is if you go on YouTube and search, sometimes you also run into some people who have shared their courses.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All the best,
Okay.
all of you.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.